Hi, guys, welcome back to AppGeeker channel. You're trying to turn on your iPhone 12, but it seems to stuck in boot loop. Your device is unable to reboot properly, and is alternating from a black screen to the black screen with the Apple logo. So what to do when your iPhone 12 gets stuck in infinite reboot loop after turning off where the Apple logo keeps flashing on and off over and over. This video shows how to get out of when you're stuck on boot loop and make it not boot up randomly anymore. What causes this boot loop? iPhone 12 keeps restarting. Apple logo problem might be a result of system bugs. It could occur after an iOS update, or when trying to restore data from iCloud, your phone went into a restart for several hours. Doing a jailbreaking can also lead you to run into an iPhone 12 boot loop for the unknown virus attacks. If you get into this constant restart loop blinking the Apple logo after you actually dropped your phone to the floor or into water, it could be the hardware problems. For the damaged internal components, we need to take the phone to Apple Service Center for repair before we can get out of the reboot loop. Alright, guys, when Apple logo has been stuck on the black screen too long, we'll do a force restart first. If you've already tried this and failed, enter recovery mode or use iOS system recovery from AppGeeker. Forcing a restart is simple and effective by just pressing 3 buttons combination. You won't lose firmware you're on, you don't need to update your phone, and you will not lose any data whatever. Okay, before started, ensure your device is charged up with enough power, because the endless flashing boot loop can drain the battery. At times, with little power juice left, our iPhone 12 turns itself off, and is not turning back on. It just stuck at Apple logo. So use a cable to charge it. Alright, let's see how to force restart the current iPhone 12. Now I do this and make sure you do this quickly. I gonna quickly press volume up button and release, quickly press volume down button and release, then press and hold the side button. Do not release the side button when invited to slide to power off. Just keep holding on it, and wait for the Apple logo to show up. You guys will see the screen flash and turn black as the device is powering down itself. After a few seconds, the Apple logo reappears. Simply let go of the side button and wait for your device to reboot. See, this worked. We don't need a computer or update the current firmware to a new one. Alright, iPhone 12 is out of the boot loop, no longer flashing Apple logo, and now, you access it as usual. If your problem hasn't been solved, let's say that the stubborn system glitches interfere with your device's ability to turn on. The next method we recommend is to enter recovery mode. You need a PC or Mac, a USB cable, and your iPhone 12 that has an Apple logo on the screen. Alright, let's connect looping iPhone 12 to the computer using the lightning cable, and then see how I enter recovery mode. To place it into recovery mode, press and quickly release volume up button, press and quickly release volume down button, the press and hold down the side button. Remember, do not let go of the side button even if you see the Apple logo. Keep holding and wait a little longer. Okay, a USB cable pointing to a computer symbol is now showing up on the screen. This indicates your phone is restarting in recovery mode. Now, we turn to the computer and open iTunes. If you're using macOS Catalina or later on a Mac, launch Finder. Once a dialog box pops up asking you to update or restore your iPhone 12, choose Update. iTunes or Finder is automatically downloading and installing the latest version of iOS to unfreeze your iPhone 12. This will take several minutes to finish, so don't worry if your phone doesn't reboot while in the progress. If you've tried to restore via recovery mode but the boot loop and Apple logo still keeps going on repeatedly, you could try iOS system recovery software developed by AppGeeker. It helps you diagnose and clear away whatever software issue is preventing your iPhone from fully turning on. You can also click the download link in the describe below, and now let's get started to use it to return your iPhone 12 back up and running. Firstly, open iOS system recovery tool once it's installed, and attach your phone to the computer. Then click on More Tools at the lower left corner. Now, Step 2, choose iOS System Recovery Panel followed by the Start button. In the next interface, you should see your device connected with its information displaying. If not, the software is unable to read the iPhone 12 that's constantly restarting. We just put it into recovery mode using the on-screen guideline before moving to the next step. Check the details and hit the Fix button. Next, we come to the Step 3. Here, we select Standard Mode. It will fix the real reason why your iPhone 12 is stuck on infinite boot loop without any data loss. Hit Confirm button to move on. Finally, the Step 4. You are now presented with a list of firmware package. Choose the latest one to download. That's it. The latest iOS firmware will be installed on your iPhone 12 to get the crashed system fixed. Wait patiently to let the software resolve software bugs and get the device working again. Well, your iPhone 12 successfully turns back on and the boot loop actually comes to an end. It's pretty simple, really. Good luck. The restarting Apple logo is gone and you're out of boot loop. So these are all tips and tricks on how to fix an iPhone 12 stuck on reboot loop and how to boot up the phone again. Hope you enjoy this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to AppGeeker channel, and share this video through Facebook, Twitter and elsewhere to help others who is trapped in this problem. If you have any question, please drop it down in the comment section below. Have a nice day.